welcome to Jan's Journey. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you guys are here, guys. This video is super early because I usually have to wait to see a full box review, and sometimes we don't get that like a few days after the month have started. Please don't come for me and tell me that that is not a full box review. I am just going to show you a box, 5 items this person received, this charmer received, and it was an ad, but at least we have an idea what we can expect for the month of October. So if you guys want to see that, let's go ahead and get started on this video. So today we're going to talk about a recap, everything that we could expect for the month of October. That means there's going to be new products that I haven't mentioned in other videos. That way you have an idea, you're up to date for the base box and for the premium box for the month of October. And get started with the base box because that's the first full box review we have seen. But like I mentioned, I don't know if those are going to be the items that are going to come in a box. I don't think so, but that was interesting. I just want to share what I saw, so I want to share with you guys. As you know, there was a variation. It was choice, and we were able to choose between 4 products, which made it a lot harder because, especially for me, I didn't know which one I was going to pick. But we had those of colors Meet Your Hue concealer. As you know, that one retails for $24, and they have so many different shades, and you was able to pick your shade too, which I love that. We also have another choice, and that was the Murad AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. That one retails for $40. I was so tempted to get that because I need that. I really need that, and I don't know why I didn't pick that, but that was another choice. I know it was pretty good, the choices for the base box. Guys, can you believe this is all for the base box? We also had Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. Everything was in one. You had the blush, the highlighter, and the bronzer. So that was a choice item. We also had another choice, which it was interesting. It was very different, this packaging from Farsali. I really love that brand. This one is a little different, but it's all skincare, and what I love that this type of skincare, it really helps you prep for makeup. So this is from Farsali, it's Quench, and this is a moisture replenishing serum. This one retails for $24, and you guys are gonna get different type of molecular hyaluronic acid. You're gonna get the low molecular, and you're gonna get the high molecular, and on top of that, you guys are gonna be getting vitamin B5 on this serum. So, but guys, it's okay if you wasn't able to choose or make your choice. Keep in mind that that's going to open for the month of November, for the box of November that is coming up soon. I'm going to be putting the date around this area so you guys could save that day and don't miss out on making your own selection. So now let's go ahead and move on to a variation. Everything I'm going to mention right now is variation. None of these are going to be, everybody's going to be getting it, so keep that in mind. This is from Beauty Bakery, guys. I would love to get this because this is a brand. It's the first time we're going to be getting this brand in the box. We have seen it in pop-up, but this is going to be the first time in the box. And it's Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. Boxycharm sneak peek. She shared some of these sneak peek, and she has this palette, and I thought this was like a small palette. Once she showed that on her video, on her spoiler video, I was like, wow, I really want that palette because it's really pretty, it's big, and the colors, I don't think once you see the picture, they look kind of like the same when I saw her video. So I hope I get that variation. Another variation, another product that I would love to get, this is from Tarte Maracuya Miracle Mist Setting Spray. And I know sometimes we get setting spray, and I always look to see what do they offer that is a little bit different that other setting spray doesn't offer. And this one is interesting because it says that it's going to set your makeup for 16 hours with this super fruit spray. And you were able to test one with the spray, one without the spray, and one they did the swatch or just went over it. You could see the mess of the one that did not have the spray. So that is saying that this mist is going to help protect and hold your makeup. And if this does work, I think this will be perfect because I don't know if this happens to you. When I wear my mask, this area here gets a little bit patchy or powdery. I don't know, it doesn't look the same anymore. So if this could hold my makeup and I could just wear that mask, I think this would be perfect. But then again, I want to make sure that I hope I get this on my box. So it's coming back to Boxycharm. And this is the Nesting Beep Face Palette. This one retails for $32. Very pretty. It's giving me the same vibe of the Kenya Ontiveros palette that we got, that it was a choice. It was between the contour or the blush, but this one you have both. You guys are gonna have a selection of rosy blushes and sun-kissed bronzers and creamy glowing highlighter. So this is the ultimate palette because it has all 3 different products that you do need when you're completing your makeup look. So that is a variation. And another variation that is very interesting, and this is a new brand, guys. It's a new brand. Sometimes I don't mind the product that we get as long as I get to test out a brand. And that's why I love Boxycharm, because you get to try out, and they introduce so many great brands because we have received them in the boxes. And this one is a new one. This is from Rodeo or Rodeo Soft Focus Glow Booster Drops. And the benefits of this booster drops, their booster drops, is gonna help perfect the base for your makeup. So you want to make sure, and this is the part that I love, that it has antioxidant. It's gonna have antioxidant benefit for healthy looking skin, and we all need antioxidant. I love that. And as you know, that I believe is a variation too. So now, guys, the last product I want to mention, and this one is not confirmed, but I would love to see this in our box. I love this brand, Sol de Janeiro or Sol de Janeiro. And this is a Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. They come in 3 different shades. They're very pigmented. It looks like they're very pigmented. They look so cute. I love this brand and I can't wait. I hope we all get it because they come in different shades, but I think it's coming for base, but it's not confirmed yet. So guys, now that we already talked about everything that we know that is going to be coming for the base box, there is this product, that this item we didn't know it was coming, and it was shown on this full box reveal, and it's the Luxie, I think it's called Dreamcatcher brush set. Because when I went to Luxie website, the Luxie Beauty, as you know, their brushes usually tend to be just pink, and she did mention I got some Luxie brushes, but they were kind of like a blue periwinkle color, and I'm like, this is really different. So the only color or the only brushes from that shade in their website was called Luxie Dreamcatcher. Now the catch is that this set, it's a huge set, and I think it costs over $120, and it's already sold out. But as you see in the video, this charmer is getting only 5, so I don't know if this is part of that set. So I'm guessing it may be, because that's the only one that I saw that color, and that's why I wanted to show you a little bit of the information that I found. The information on the website is a 15-piece set. The one that she got is a 5-piece set, so that could be probably exclusive to Boxycharm. Not sure, we don't know yet. Also came with a little pouch that it has a zipper, so I think that is even perfect. So I would love to get this as well on my box. So now that we know another item, so now let's see what box did she get. And please guys, don't come for me because I know this is crazy, but this is a box that she got, and as you know, it's always 5 full size items, and she got 5 full size items. So the first one was, yes, that palette, the Beauty Bakery breakfast in bed palette. So pretty, and she did such a beautiful makeup look. This was a TikTok video. She also got the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. She got the 5-piece set brushes, but this is the interesting part. She got not 1, but she got 2 Dose of Colors concealer. So she got the Dose of Colors, but she got 2 different colors, 2 different shades to conceal and to contour. So I would love that, guys. I know that's not gonna happen because that was a choice item, and of course we were able to pick one item, one color, but that was so interesting. Or did that happen because they don't want to reveal the other product that it could be in the box yet? I don't know. That was so interesting. I've never seen a box like that somebody will receive 2 products from the same brand, different shades. I don't know. To me, that's the first time. But I wanted to bring this box not to confuse you guys, just to have an idea what is expected. And I'm glad that we got to see this box, guys, so early on. We're not even in October, we got to see it. So I love that way we have an idea what we can expect, what the variation may be. Of course, I feel like here is missing an item. We don't know what the other, maybe the Sol de Janeiro might be there. Guys, let me know what you think about this box. What else do you think might be to complete that variation based on everything that I share? And of course, as you know, there's always going to be more variation. So guys, let's move on to the premium box. I don't have that much information, so I'm going to go a little bit quicker. but I just want to do a recap because I want to complete everything that's coming for the month of October, and I don't want you guys to miss out in case you do guys want to sign up or subscribe to get the premium box. So let's move on to premium box. I am so excited for the choice item. It was really hard to choose, of course, as well, which I'm loving that about Boxycharm. So the first one was Kosas Tinted Face Oil. This is a moisturizer. Well, it's not a moisturizer, it's a foundation, guys. It retails for $42. And this one, what I read, that is so interesting that you could apply it like a serum, like with your fingers. That is so interesting, so convenient, and so much faster for you to apply your makeup. Let's see how that works. So I just selected that product. The other choice was, this was two different products. This was the Kosas Color and Light. They have the cream blush or and highlighter duo, but they also have the powder blush and highlighter. So you was able to choose if you wanted the cream type or the powder type. Then we have this product that I thought it was going to be choice. It did surprise me, but it's going to be a variation. So this one is from Clarins. I love that brand. I'm glad we got to try out their lipstick, and that's the one I'm wearing today. But this one is a different product. This one is Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. This is like a makeup primer variation that we know so far too. It's from Murad, and this is a hydrating toner. This toner retails for $35, and this, what I love about this product is that it's alcohol-free toner. And another thing that I like was that it's in a form of a spray. So when you're on the go, or I do, guys, I have like so many products in my routine. I have different things for the morning, for the nighttime, for on Mondays and on Tuesdays. It varies. So it's not because I'm on the go. It's more like I have a few steps more than what I used to have years ago. So if I get this toner, I will love that because it's gonna make it so much easier, and it comes in a spray. So that is seemed to be also a variation. And guys, that is all we have for the premium box. I know they all look pretty good, but I wish to know more information. But so this is all we have. At least we have an idea what we could expect in our boxes. So now I want to talk real quickly about the products that are not confirmed. This is a palette that we continue to see a few times, and I feel like this is coming for the premium box because when the CEO shared the products for like Clarins and Murad, he shared those, and as you know, they're for the premium box. On the back, you could see this palette. And this is a palette from Illuminati. It's a collab with Isabel Bedoya. And it's so colorful. It has, I think, every color you guys could imagine is in one palette. Very colorful. It has, I think, unique colors that you normally don't see in a regular palette. And it does look like it comes with a mirror too. So I feel like this is going to be coming to the premium box. And lately we've been seeing most of the products for the premium box are tending to be more everybody's getting it, and there's only like one or two products that are variation and a choice. So I don't know. And usually the palettes, everybody gets the same palette. So if this is coming for the premium box, then this might be something that everybody might be getting. So now moving on, another product that I'm so excited for, and this is Sunday Riley. This is Good Jeans, and I'm not sure which one it's gonna be. There is two different ones, but hopefully it's the one that says all-in-one lactic acid treatment. We really need that. We really need that acid. And the lactic acid is going to help with the fine lines and wrinkles, pores, and even dark spots, which that is all. I'm always looking for something to help with dark spot. And so, that wow, when I saw this, it's not confirmed when it's coming to the boxes. I don't know if it's going to be coming in the month of October, but guys, keep your eyes out. Once it's confirmed, I'm going to let you guys know for which box and which month it's going to be. Another product that I don't know is thrown out there. We keep seeing these products, but nothing has been confirmed yet. And these are three palettes that I'm gonna share with you guys here. One is a brand that will be new to Boxycharm. The other one is Huda Beauty. We just got Huda Beauty products, but this will be a neon palette. And Anastasia Beverly Hills, like we've never seen that in Boxycharm, so it just threw me off to see that in there in the video. So I would love to see the collab from Jackie Aina in the boxes as well. So it's not confirmed, but it's just interesting that they showed those products in I feel like this is the second time that I've seen those products in a TikTok video. So now that I finished, guys, talking to you guys about base and premium, everything that's coming to October, which I am so excited for, there's something that I don't want you guys to miss out. You're really charmers, so I don't want you guys miss out on these things, and one of them is Charm Room has been open, and I'm surprised with so many great products that are there. One of them already sold out, but as soon as it was open, as soon as I seen it, I did share that in my Instagram. I'm gonna put the information here if you guys want to follow me there. But everything else, is even a palette there, so if you guys have some points and you're ready to spend them, go ahead and visit the Charm Room. That way you guys to make a purchase if you see anything interesting. Another thing that I just found out when I was on the website is another quiz, and this one is different. This one is called hair quiz. So go to the beauty quizzes, make sure that there's going to be the quizzes section. Go ahead and go over the beauty quiz. I always like to go over, and sometimes when I see something interesting like the setting spray, I think I'm going to go over my quiz and I'm going to put that I always wanted, and I will see if I'm going to get it, because I did that for the powder that came for the premium box, and I was surprised that I got it. So I don't know if it had to do with the quiz, but I'm always checking it and always changing it to see if it does apply. I don't lose anything by going over it and putting new things that I will prefer in my boxes. Then you will see a new quiz, and this is hair quiz. It's all talking about hair color. What are you guys interested about? Which brands are you guys interested about? So I love that, because we have been getting more products that are for hair care, and to be honest, I am very impressed with most of the products I've been getting. So now I'm able to share more information on that hair quiz. So guys, this concludes this video. I really thank you for watching this video, for giving me some of your time, spending some time with me. So much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.